So we are now sa ating part 2 ng ating Sports Corner PH interviews. Ngayong araw na ito ng Lunes. Kasi ano lang muna buksan ko lang yung ilaw Sensya na. Ngayon mainit-init pa na Webes na yon, mainit sa labas. Nakakapagod talaga pag lumabas talaga, kaya magdala kayo ng mga payong kung sakasakali na pumunta kayo, lumabas kayo sa inyong bahay, umuulan man, umaraw. Anyway, ang ating kasama for this hour, mga gold medalists, fresh from Thailand, mula naman sa sport ng karate. Kasi kanina, nakausap natin, isa pang gold medalist sa Thailand from Jiu-Jitsu. Ngayon naman sa karate. So, Thailand Open Karate Championships and one of them won the silver dun sa individual kata. So, pakilala natin ang ating Filipina women's kata team, except ang ating pinaka-star ng ating team, si Sakura Alporte, was actually preparing for the Asian Games. Kasama natin, una natin syempre ang pinaka-senior sa batch natin, si Rebecca Cyril. Wika Torres. Hi, Wika. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon po.
Alright, and actually na-interview ko siya before, pero nanalo siya doon sa Karate Pilipinas National Championships. Pero she's back with a gold medal naman internationally, si Samantha Begilla. Sam, bati ka naman.
Hello po.
And of course, coming from Cebu, isa sa mga solid followers ng aming page natin, another gold medalist, si Alison Kyle Alki Quiroga. Mayong apon, Alki.
Hello po, good afternoon po.
All right, thank you so much to the three of you for joining us. And again, congratulations on your gold and silver medal finishes sa Thailand Open. We have finished with a gold, 7 silvers, and 8 bronze medals for the whole delegation na binubuo ng ating mga national team members, and of course, ang iba pa mga aspiring karatekas from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao na nanggaling pa sa iba't ibang mga Karate Pilipinas chapters. Alam ko na kapag R&R na kayo right after nito gold medal win ninyo sa Thailand, na una nang bumalik si Narika at Sam, tapos si Alki, galing pa sa bakasyon pa, extended vacation dyan sa Thailand. Kamusta na po kayong tatlo, Rika?
Mabuti naman po, nakapahinga na po ng mga isang araw, 2 araw. Back to training na rin in a few days.
Sam?
Okay lang din naman po. I just went to school the other day po, and then training again and school again a few days.
Alright, Alki?
Working on recovery po, and we'll be back to training on a few days.
Alright. So, si Sam, before nakausap ko siya, nanalo ng ginto sa Karate Pilipinas, while si Rika at si Alki, hindi ko pa nakakausap silang tatlo. Pero alam natin, si Rika, she is also a owner of breaded fish, no? Active pa rin ba yung breaded fish?
Opo, meron pa rin naman po kaming mga shirts available for anyone who wants to purchase. Yan ang Keep Fighting and Fight Your Doubts na designs po. But hopefully, we'll be releasing new designs soon.
Ayun. So, paki-follow mo na yung Breaded Fish sa Facebook at sa IG nga para at least makita niyo yung mga binibenta mga t-shirts, yung Keep Fighting na t-shirts ni Rika. What about si Alki? This is actually the first time na magkaugnay tayo, pero I'm kind of impressed nga pala sa inyong national team career nga from Cebu, lumipad kayo sa Manila at ngayon national team, and you won the gold medal. Ano masasabi niyo? Dahil of course, medyo maraming improvements nga sa inyong career niyo sa karate so far.
I'm very much thankful po for the patience of all the coaches, all the training programs provided to us. Dahil sa kanilang lahat, we are not able to be where we are right now po.
Okay. Unahin natin may tanong yung paghahanda nga po the Thailand meet. This is among the very important international competitions for the three of you and for the whole national team at sa buong Karate Pilipinas delegation. paano kayo naganda para dito? Inaraw-araw mo ba yung training ninyo dyan sa Phil Sports Classic for this tournament, Rika?
Opo, we train every day, the three of us together with our coaches. So every tournament naman po, we look at it as an important one for us, for our improvement and sa progress po namin.
Okay. Si Rika, nakita ko siya sa IG, batak na batak niya kasi nagle-lift ng weights pala doon sa gym kung saan andun yung strength and conditioning coach mo. And apparently, a member din ng ating national team, si Coach Sunny Montalvo. By the way, shoutout din pala kay MJ Montalvo, yung kanyang loving wife na nag-silver doon sa Thailand Open at kapartner nyo rin sa Breaded Fish. Pag-usapan din natin yung SNC niyo, yung nutrition, and of course, going to prepare physically and mentally para sa Thailand Open. Rika, ikaw muna.
As what Alison mentioned nga po earlier, so it takes a village for every one of us para mag-perform. So hindi lang ang aming mga skills coaches, which is si Sensei Roddy and si Sir Chino. Andiyan din si Sir Sonny, si Coach Sonny, na siya ang SNC coach namin. Also, we get advice from him also when it comes to our diet and nutrition, especially the science behind it all. So, ayun po, basta we're working closely lang with our coaches and yan, para mag-improve kami individually and as a team.
Alright, si Alki naman. Alki?
Nutrition is very important po when it comes to the training program because it greatly affects our competition po. So eat healthy and be able to perform good in training every day.
Okay, got it. Kahit medyo malabo lang yung connection ninyo dyan sa dorm ninyo. What about si Sam?
For me naman po, it's the same then. Our coaches are a great help to us for being able to get better in terms of skill and in terms of strength and conditioning. A specific thing that they've told me to work on is my weight, because compared to the two of them, I'm very underweight. So they've helped me a lot with figuring out how to do that besides weight in general, specifically in muscle mass, and also my teammates help me as well try to figure out things when the coaches are not there. If the coaches are not there, I have my teammates also that I can rely on.
Okay. Vika, ang laki pala ng delegation natin for the Thailand Open. Di lang pala yung mga current na national team members, training pool, yung kasali natin. We have also other members na rin na they came from the other provinces. Yung mga chapters kung saan nandun yung Karate Pilipinas member ng mga dojos coming from AAK, AUK, Region 2, at marami pang iba from Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. So, kung napanood niyo yung mga performances nila, yung nakuha nila yung silver sa bronze, I'm sure na-impress kayo sa ating mga, sabihin natin, mga future ng ating national team someday.
Yes. Actually, yun nga po, marami rin kaming kasamang mga bata. At yung ibang mga seniors na din na wala pa sa training pool. So I think if magtuloy-tuloy ng training at mas magabayan sila, they can go far beyond what is expected of us as training pool members.
Okay, para palinawan na muna natin sa ating mga viewers, sa mga nagtatanong kung wala yung mga ibang mga members, most especially si Sakura Alporte. Nasa Turkey na po at nasa Japan na training for the Asian Games. Itong sila Sak, sila Jamie Lim, Jonah Chukii, Ayan Brito, Christian Lachica, Ivan Agustin, Alwin Batikan at si Matthew Lachica. Sila po yung mga representatives ng ating bansa for the Asian Games. Pero kahit nasa Thailand, mukhang nag-cheer pa rin kayo sa ating mga members ng team at regularly nagkakaroon sila ng mga tournaments dyan sa Turkey eh.
Opo. As far as we know po, yes, I think meron silang mga weekly competitions na sinasalihan. Pero for ano lang po, for the record, si Ivan po is I don't think he's part of the Asian Games team as because he's currently recovering from an injury.
Okay. So, hindi kasama si Ivans. Alright. Si Christian, Alwin, sa si Matthew lang yung kalaog. Pero yung mga natira dito sa Pilipinas, tuloy pa rin ang training kasi alam natin, may mga competitions pa na naka-line up, mga local competitions, national competitions within the end of the year and even as far as next year pa. Kailangan nyo mapagandaan kayong lahat ng mga miyembro ng team. Kaya inaraw-araw nga ang training even though nakapagpahinga pa kayo ngayon.
Oho. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung training regardless kung may malapit na competition or hindi po pa ganun kalapit.
Okay, unahin natin yung mga observations natin mula naman sa individual kata muna tayo. So simulan natin kay Alki. Alki, 15th place ka doon sa individual kata. Then 13th naman, 15th place si Sam, 13th place si Alki, tapos silver medal si Rika. Ano masasabi niyo muna sa inyong outcome dito sa individual kata bago yung team kata muna na itatanong ko pa mamaya? Individual kata muna tayo, observations. Let's go to Alki muna.
For those who didn't know, it was my first individual kata international competition po. So it was really how do you call that? It was really challenging for me because usually I compete kumite in international competition, and this time only individual kata and team kata event. So I was so thankful for the programs given by the coaches because it took part on my growth as a national athlete and as a karate player po.
Alki, nalaman ko nga nakapaglaro ka daw dati sa komite sa international.
Yes po, with Ate Jamie Lim, Kuya Alwin Batikan, and Kuya Kyle Tabilog and Ivan Agustin po.
Saan class ka doon? Saan weight class?
Minus 61 kilograms po.
Sa minus 61. Okay. So, bago tayo dumako kay Sam, malaki ba ang tinulong sa inyo ng exposure ninyo sa mga local competitions kagaya nga, nag-compete ka before sa Shureido Cup para at least ma-develop ang inyong skills ninyo pagdating sa international competitions, Alki?
Yes po, it took a great part po sa amin, not only as a team but individually, to boost our confidence and to help each other grow, not as individual but also as a team when we perform together.
Okay, si Sam naman tayo, assessment nyo sa individual kata. And of course, anong masasabi mo na, of course, it is a big help talaga para sa inyo yung mga local competitions gaya ng C-Cup, yung Shureido Cup, bago itong international stint?
Yes po, they were very helpful. I feel like a lot of us were able to see our improvement from not only individual kata but team kata as our scores got higher and higher, and we were able to see our videos also na umiiba yung galaw namin to become better.
Sam, this is the first time nga pala na maglaro sa individual kata internationally, and how do you assess yung performance nyo?
Actually po, dati before I joined national team, I was already competing in both kata and kumite. I only stopped doing kumite, I think, this year. This year is when I stopped doing individual kumite events. And last year's Thailand Open, I was able to get, I think, 19th place in individual kata. So I feel like there was a lot of improvement from then up to now. And I think that's a lot thanks to our coaches and the different training classes.
Okay, kay Rika naman, your assessment niya dito sa competition at nakakold ka dati doon sa Sherado Cup. Malaki ba tinulong sa inyo yung participation nyo para at least i-maximize nyo yung skills pagdating na ng international?
So, gaya po ng sabi ko rin nga kanina, lahat pa ng tournaments, they're important to us sa progress. This competition, particularly in Thailand Open, we faced a lot of mga national team members din ng iba't ibang mga countries such as Hong Kong, Thailand. Of course, we wanted to win the gold medal, but I think this will serve as for me personally to work harder, to work smarter, and hopefully next year kung papala rin tayo makasali muli, sana makamit na natin yung gold. Yeah.
What about your observations sa inyong silver medal finish para sa individual kata muna?
Yun din po. The tournament actually, it took place nung Friday at gabi na. Gabing-gabi na nung nag-compete kami. So I think it was around 9 p.m. nung nag-finals match. But it was I know I still gave my best in sa competition. Regardless of the result, it's still a win for me. It's still a win for us. We just have to work better. We just have to work harder moving forward.
All right. And then tumungo tayo sa pinaka-highlight ng inyong pagsali, yung gold medal, the one and only medal for the country dun sa Thailand Open, ang gold medal sa Team Kata. Ang ginamit yung technique na in-execute ninyo ay Tomari Basay. Sa finals, nakalaban nyo against Thailand at nag-worky tayo 39.8, 39.1 to clinch the gold medal. Siguro your thoughts about the matter at masasabi na ito parang isang redemption na ito dahil ang tagal na natin inintay na magka-gold tayo sa women's kata internationally since the pandemic happened. Rika, ikaw muna.
Actually, that's true. Ever since the pandemic, we've always been a contender sa bronze medal match. Now na nakakuha tayo ng chance makapag Thailand Open, makakompete sa Thailand Open, and to actually go up against the Thailand Team Kata, and to actually win the gold medal is again a win for all of us since it was the last event for the whole competition at yung time na makakakuha ng gold medal ang Pilipinas. So it was something to be proud of.
Save the best for last, ika nga eh. Kasi kayo yung pinakauling event niya na take place bago yung closing ceremony. Sam, ikaw naman, ano yung masasabi niyo sa performance niyo?
I feel like it shows that we've improved a lot, but not that we should stop improving. I feel like since we won, this is like more motivation to be able to keep improving so that we can win in bigger tournaments as well. We actually were against Thailand in AKF last July, I think. We were also against Thailand nung AKF and our score difference was not a lot, but compared to now, I feel like we've improved a lot.
Bago ko tanungin si Alki, Rika, this is actually not the first time na magkasama kayong tatlo. Kasi ang una ninyong competition was SEA Games. I mean yung SEA Cup dun sa Manila, no?
Yes.
Sa
Yes. ICAF in Manila in March.
And then SEA Games sa Phnom Penh. Then yung
Yes.
AKF Championship dyan sa Thailand, no?
Malaysia.
Malaysia, and then yung Thailand Open. So,
Yes.
apat na competition niya, na international competitions pa lang sinalihan ninyong tatlo dun sa women's team kata. What about si Alki? Anong observation sa inyong performance? Alki? Mukhang nawala na naman siya. Alright. So nawala nga si Alki, pero babalikan na lang natin siya maya-maya. Mukhang nagka-problema nga dun sa kanyang internet connection. Anyway, masasabi natin, among the four tournaments na sinalihan yung tatlo, Rika, ito na siguro parang remarkable performance ng ating kata team natin outside the country at nanalo kayo, and of course na-contribute ito sa mga winnings na yon, mga ongoing winnings sa ating mga Karate Pilipinas team members na nananalo internationally. At mukhang madadagdagan pa dahil ang ini-aim ni ni Sakura Alforte magka-podium finish man lang sa Asian Games, no?
Yes, yes. I mean, I think that's the goal of everyone who's competing.
Alright, bumalik na si Allison. Allison, favor lang, baka pwede ninyong off muna yung camera para marinig ka namin. Loud and clear. Audio lang muna kasi medyo mabagal nga lang yung internet ni Alki. There you go. Alki, anong observations nyo dun sa performance
Okay.
nyo dun sa Thailand Open?
I was so happy with the improvement of the whole team po because firstly, we are still less than a year as a team. So far it was really good for us. It was really good for us because it's also our first medal as a team kata. So that's it. I'm so happy about the outcome during the Thailand Championships po.
Alki, among the four competitions, malaki ba ang improvement nyo dito? Dahil alam ko, ngayon lang kayo magkakasama sa Team Kata dito sa international competitions compared to the three other ones, which is the C-Cup sa Manila, SEA Games sa Cambodia, and of course yung AKF sa Malaysia.
Po? Ano po yun?
Malaki
pardon,
ba ang
please.
naging improvement nito compared dun sa mga previous competitions, yung C-Cup, SEA Games, at saka AKF?
Yes po, of course. We have big improvements po, especially when we compare our performance during the SEA Games. Until now, AKF and also Thailand, you can say when you watch the video po, iba po talaga yung performance namin. Nag-grow po talaga kami, not just individually, but also as a team. And also makikita din po naman sa score namin, every performance sa kata na malaki po yung gap difference compared to the past tournaments and to the Thailand Open competition po.
Thank you, Alki. Si Sam naman, meron kang idadagdag sa sinabi niya.
Wala naman po, pero I think nga that since we won, it should be more of a motivator for us to improve more.
Okay. Rika, any pointers nga pala dun sa improvements ng Team Kata natin compared to the previous competitions?
Sorry,
Any
some
pointers nga
pointers?
dun sa improvements in general ng ating Team Kata compared to the three competitions na sinalihan nyo before?
So first and foremost, I think the most important thing na nakita natin na is nag-improve at kailangan pa ng improvement is the technical part, which is yung skills part, yung kata mismo. The next one is we have to work more on our strength and conditioning part, the science behind it all. And I think the last one that we have to work more on is yung compatibility naming tatlo, because it will only work if the three members will gel more together, and if we move as one unit.
Okay, so what's next for the three of you? Are you aiming for another medal finish this time sa mga iba pa mga international competitions? Kung ready na kayo, meron tayong Asian Championships, may SEA Games, or maybe someday may mga Karate 1 Premier League, Karate Series, ano yung mga competitions na tina-target ninyo?
I think now, hopefully, if there's enough support na makalaro sa Series A, what you were talking about for the Karate 1 Series A, sorry, it's the WKF Series A, that will be in November in Europe. So hopefully, if we have enough support, makalaro kami dun in individual kata and in team kata. And of course, next year, there are tournaments lined up. Hopefully rin, magtuloy-tuloy yung exposure, magtuloy-tuloy na magkaroon tayo ng podium finish.
Alright, lastly, before we end, ano ba yung mga pinaka-memorable na sidelights during the Thailand trip outside of Thailand Open? Kasi si Alki, nagbakasyon pa yan ng ilang araw. Doon bago ka umuwi ngayon eh. Kaya nga, may jet lag pa si Alki. Simulan natin kay Alki nga mismo. Ano mga pinaka-memorable moments while in Thailand?
So far po, ito po kasi yung first na competition ko na enjoy afterwards, because every after competition we go home and recover and train again. So I'm so thankful for the amount of time given na makapag-gala, enjoy kahit ilang days lang after the competition. It is really a great help na yun nga, merong inspiration na mag-work hard ulit after yung reward na nakuha.
Okay, Sam.
Ako po, hindi po talaga ako sanay na mag-travel after competition. Kasi usually after competition, pagod na po ako. So, ayoko nang lumabas. Usually, dun lang ako sa hotel. Pero this competition, lumabas kami nila, Rika, Ate Mean, si Kuya Kat, tas yung dalawa namin, like, bata, sila Bash and Zian. Tas we were just traveling sa Bangkok po. And it was super fun, especially yung parang food trip po kami. Yun yung pinaka enjoyable experience ko po.
Alright, Rika, lastly.
Yeah, like what Sam told us. So a few hours before our flight, we were able to grab the opportunity na makapunta ng Bangkok to sightsee a bit, even just for a few hours, and before we headed back home. Yun po. And now we've rested mga 1 day, 2 days, and we're going to go back to training later or tomorrow for some of us. There. You just have to work more.
Oo nga, at kailangan pa rin na makapag-training na agad kasi marami pa kayong mga naka-line up na competitions the coming days, in the coming months and years to come. And I'm sure preparado na kayo and getting ready up for those competitions. And again, congratulations. Save the moment. Delighted kayo na makasama kayo sa amin na para may paliwanag sa atin yung mga ganap ninyo dyan sa Thailand. And before we wrap up, baka pwede ninyo mag-closing. Sorry po. Mauna muna natin yung ating regular na ating traditional photo op. Thumbs up and smile. Pero si Alki muna. Pabuksan ulit natin yung camera para makapag thumbs up tayo in 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So before we close out, baka pwede ninyo mag-ingi ng inyong mga final remarks at pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta. Mukhang naglag na si Rika. Naglag na konti si Rika. Pero unahin natin si Sam. Sam, bati ka naman sa ating mga panood sa atin ng mga taga-suporta. Kanino mo dinededicate ang panalo?
I dedicate yung win namin po sa mga coaches namin po, tas lahat ng teammates din namin para tuloy-tuloy lang po.
Mayroon kang pasalamatan, iba? Family mo, friends?
Thank you din po sa kanila for the support po. Yeah.
Ayun, medyo pagkamayari nito si Sam. Again, congratulations to you. Alki! Meron ka pa sasalamatan o mga shoutouts nyo?
I would like to thank po firstly uh the coaches that we will not make it here on top without them, and also my two teammates, Ma'am Rika and Sam, for the efforts na ginawa din nila, which took part also sa performance namin na makuha yung gold medal during the Thailand Open.
Alright, daghang salamat, Alki. Connect to you soon para makapag solo interview naman tayo. Game?
Sige po, game po.
Alright. And finally, ang ating Kata Queen so far. Pero ang syempre, ang nanaig syempre, kayong dalawa ni Sam ang Kata Queen sa ngayon. Rika, baka, I mean, si Sak pala, hindi pala si Sam. Si Sak saka si Rika ngayon ang queens ng Kata sa ngayon. Baka pwede nyo, gusto nyo magpa-shoutout o bumamati sa mga taga-supportan.
Teammates, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Karate Pilipinas, at sa lahat ng nagsusuporta sa karate sa buong Pilipinas. Thank you.
And again, we'd like to thank you for joining us on this very interesting discussion. Rika, Sam, and Alki, congratulations. You well-deserved talaga ang pagkapanalo ng ginto. Imagine, ang tagal ng inabot talaga bago natin makuha yung ginto sa women's team kata. Sana maging consistent panlalo sa ating mga medal finishes, and we're hoping for good outcome and good standing pa sa iba pang mga international competitions. So stand by. We will have our representatives from WowNet later at 8:30 p.m. And then yung Ice Aki naman tomorrow morning. Medyo punong-puno po ang ating Sports Corner PH interview sa ating mga athletes na ganda po the Asian Games, hindi kayo sumasali at nagpananaw sa mga international competitions. Again, we'd like to thank you to the three of you for joining us, and keep safe, ingat po, and train hard sa inyong training ninyo pagbalik ninyo sa Karate Pilipinas Dojo dyan sa Pasig. Bye and God bless you. Daghang salamat.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.